Considering using margin to borrow against your portfolio? Schwab's margin rates are tiered based on your debit balance, and they change with market conditions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can find the current schedule of margin interest rates on the Schwab website. Navigate to Accounts, Greater Than, Margin, or search for Margin Rates. The rates are typically benchmark rate plus a spread. The larger your debit balance, the lower the interest rate you may qualify for. These rates are variable and will update on your account statements. My crucial pro tip: compare with other borrowing options. Margin interest may be higher than a securities-based loan or a home equity line of credit, HELOC. Calculate the after-tax cost of each option. Margin loans can be called if your portfolio value drops, making them riskier than other forms of credit. Borrow strategically and know the exact cost. Have you ever used a margin loan for a major purchase or investment? For more guides on using portfolio leverage, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.